inside the box. So, welcome back to the channel. This project that we're working on is a separating toilet, but we wanted to do something a little bit different. We wanted to have so it was a seat. So we made the toilet in the inside of a box, and then so we could still use it as a seat. So you wouldn't even know probably it was our toilet in the van. So that was the plan that we had in mind. And just whoa. So where we got the toilet from in Australia, the company was called A Better Way to Go, and it's called a Separett Privy 501. Came to $179, and all delivered was $216. They're in Meetown, Victoria. Very fast shipping. No hassles whatsoever. Quite expensive, but then that's the times, isn't it? Really, everything's expensive. And we like the idea that we could separate our toilet waste. So most of the time, number twos, we're usually out and about anyway, and we can use toilets for that. But if we have to, we'll just it'll go into like a bag, and we'll bag it up and get rid of it like we would if you were picking up after your dog. So that was our theory behind that. And if we wanted to, we could probably put some peat into it and compost it a bit as well, if we were staying long term in a particular area that didn't have toilets. And number ones, the liquid part, we could probably, it's quite easy to dispose of that because it is a liquid, and it's not like we've got toilet paper in it as well. So find a lemon tree. It's, or we can dispose it discreetly in toilets and stuff like that. So that was the plan of this build. And so yeah, so have a look at the rest of the video, and let us know in the comments any questions and so forth. I'll try and have in the description where we, the website and everything where we bought it from, and we've got some interesting stuff happening at the end of the video, so it's worth hanging in and checking out the last part of the video. You'll be quietly surprised. Anyway, leave you to it. Bye. So the box comes with its own template, and from that we cut out the dimensions and for the hole for the toilet for it to sit in. So that was really handy from the company. Big thumbs up for that, because templates are great. If you could, if a lot more products came with templates, save us a lot of second guessing, and I reckon it would have been pretty hard to get that spot on. So yeah, awesome idea. Yeah, happy with it?
Yes, that's good. We've done a good job.
I reckon we have. Close the lid and lift up the... No, they lift up the whole lot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 is something from nothing.
Yeah, from a distance. You reckon it might... We'll try with some brushes instead of the sponge.
You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours
Really like another.
Yeah, it's good. It's on there.
Is it on?
On, it's on. You know what phones are like. You touch it and you think it's on.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
That looks all right.
I reckon it's good.
I like it.
Yeah.
Just
Just
you know.
basic, but it looks really pops with the green, doesn't it?
I just think it gives it a bit of a... It's not bland.
No, that's the dude. Yeah. And put some bees on this side and it'll look good. And she did that one too. I think we might put a bee there. And the birdies.